Mortgage rates, what the heck are you doing? This past week, we saw CPI, Consumer Price Index, would come in hotter than expected. In fact, it not only went up month over month, but went up year over year to about 3.5%. Now, this unfortunately was not the greatest news for the market. It reacted adversely. And this came shortly after last week's jobs report, which showed job creations increasing from the expectation of 200,000 to about 300,000. All of that means that there is still strength in the economy. CPI measures inflation, and while the Federal Reserve does not measure CPI, they're measuring the core PCE, which is personal consumption expenditures. It does actually indicate that inflation has slightly increased. The Federal Reserve is looking for the core inflation rate to be down to about 2%. And so if we're going in the opposite direction, it's less likely that they're going to want to cut rates soon. When jobs are stronger, when people are employed, people are spending money. Now, at the same time, inflation going up, meaning that people are spending money, and of course, the inflation rate continues to go up because people are spending money. One thing that is for certain is that consumer debt is at one of the all-time highs and really has rapidly risen over the last year. Now, what that means is that folks are spending money that they don't have. At some point, this has to come to a head. And we anticipate to see that, I would say, within the next year. But again, it doesn't help us right now. So while this is all happening, it might sound a little negative. What I do want to encourage you is that it is still an amazing time to buy because this is the lowest home prices will ever be. We are offering the 2 no lender fee refinances when rates go down. If rates dropped 1%, you will see appreciation levels go up by 10%. And so that means that the $300,000 house that you buy today in 1 year would appreciate by $30,000. This means that you don't need to wait. Investors know that this is the time to buy because this is the lowest home prices will be. So if you have any questions about this or any other market updates, give us a call.